Well, it's the 22nd of March. It's 6:42. Sun rose at 6:30. It's at 6:14. And we've had some serious winds overnight. And it's 11 degrees. We've had some drifting. Actually, Flynn and I footprints are barely visible here. You can see some trace over here. Come on, bud, let's go. Leave him alone. Flynn, come on. Flynn, come on. Let's go. Good boy. Easy, easy. It's getting deep here. That's a good 3 foot there. Lost power for a brief time overnight. Unfortunately, it came right back. Friday, and then tomorrow, have a chance of 8 to 12 inches of very heavy wind snow. Boy. This is what I would expect. Mid-January to February for winter in Maine, not late March. Actually, yesterday was the first full day of spring. Come on, let's go, bud. Hey, come on. He's looking for a spot to water. Yep. See the wind, I guess the wind's blowing from the south. We should jump things on the north side of the driveway here. Pretty low on the south side. You know, Kevin White came up the other day, got his staging up on the side of the building so he could finish doing the cedar shakes, but he said he was going to just try and dig out today around the new building. There's a very small, probably 8 by 10 building in there with a wood sill he's standing currently. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to get the snowblower out and take a couple inches off. I just don't want to gouge out the driveway. Can't tell what direction. Come from the north. Come from all over. Oh, school bus. It's chilly. There's my glasses. Right through here. I don't have my flannel I have jeans on. I have regular jeans on. That's ridiculous. But it's a beautiful day in Maine. Blue skies. I'm hoping Flynn does a deed soon. He looked like he was gonna go in there. Looks like we had some deer or something to go through there. Something get through there. Can't tell. It's a pretty short gate. Look at you. A little bit of ice there. I think Flynn's looking. Yep. Good boy. All right. Good boy, let's go home. Come. Flynn. Flynn, let's go, come on. Out of there, went straight across into here. Let's go, come on. Looks like deer, but definitely deer track there. I don't know how they got into that branch. It looks like they got to the tree and turned right. Yep. Come on. Whatever these critters are. Or is that just snow? Come on, let's go. Flynn, come on. Come on. Flynn, come on. In the house, come on. He's definitely trying to get to the side of the road. I don't know what he's smelling. What are you doing? In the house, come on. Well, we gotta go to town today. I need some milk and whatever else. We won't be getting mail for a while. The wind's even cover up my tracks here. I don't have much firewood in the basement. Should have moved them in the other day. Because now she's probably recovered. Come on, let's go. Hey, Jesus, squirrel. Come on, in the house, buddy. Come on. Deep here. Right there. Come on, let's go. I did have the E-track mats on yesterday. Several times. I didn't keep them on the whole time. But they did their job. Let's go in the house. Alright, thanks for watching.